Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple but very useful setting inside the Telegram app on PC. If you've recently updated your app, you might have noticed some small changes, and one of them involves how Telegram integrates with your system. Specifically, I'll show you how to make sure the Telegram icon shows up on your taskbar so you can always access it quickly without having to dig around. Let's get started. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're inside, take a look at the top left-hand corner of the window. You'll see three little horizontal lines. That's your menu button. Go ahead and click on it to open the side menu. From there, scroll down until you find the option called Settings and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, there are several categories you can customize, but the one we need right now is Advanced. Select it, and it will open up all the more detailed options for how Telegram works on your PC. Now, within the Advanced section, look for the part labeled System Integration. This is where Telegram lets you adjust how it behaves with your operating system. You should see a checkbox that says Show Taskbar Icon. By default, it might be unchecked after the latest update, so make sure you tick that box. Once you do, Telegram's icon will always stay visible on your taskbar whenever the app is open, making it much easier to switch back into your chats without searching. This may seem like a minor tweak, but it has a big impact on how smoothly you use Telegram on your computer. Having the icon on your taskbar ensures you won't miss important messages, and it also gives you a faster way to bring the app back up when you're multitasking. And that's it. Just a few quick steps. Open Telegram, go to Settings, open Advanced, and under System Integration, check the box for Show Taskbar Icon. With this setup, you'll have Telegram right where you need it at all times. If you found this helpful, be sure to keep exploring your settings because small adjustments like this really improve the overall experience of using Telegram on PC.